Are you a planner? Do you want to make sure that everything is just so for your Walt Disney World trip? Disney vacations mean a lot of planning, and Advance Dining Reservations are strongly recommended. But how do you make a Disney dining reservation? I will happily dish the details. I'm Margeaux Jordan, AllEars TV correspondent, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to plan your dining reservation like a pro. We're gonna give you the lowdown on when, where, and how to make those right now. Anyone can make a dining reservation 180 days in advance of the day you want to dine. That's right, you don't have to be an on-site guest. On-site guests do get one little perk, however. Guests staying at Disney-owned resorts may make reservations for their entire vacation up to 10 days on the 180th day. The simplest way to make a reservation is to log in to your My Disney Experience account. Click on Things to Do and then scroll down to Make Reservations. Select your location, date, time, and party size. You can also call WDW Dining directly at 407-WDW-DINE. For those who want numbers, it's 407-939-3463. Dining reservations can be made from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. 7 days a week, except for Christmas Eve and New Year's Eve when the reservation center closes at 8 p.m. You can also make a reservation at any Walt Disney World Resort lobby concierge desk, or by dialing 55 from your room phone. Seems there's an option for everyone, isn't there? What if you don't show up for an advanced reservation time? Ah, yes, you are that family who is always running a bit behind. We totally understand, but Disney likes to keep things prompt. If you don't cancel 24 hours before your reservation time, your credit card will be charged $10 a person. Don't be late for that very important date, okay? Cancellations will be accepted by calling 407-WDW-CNCL through the My Disney Experience website or app, and also at guest relations in the parks and hotels. The prepaid policy for certain special dining experiences, such as character meals at Cinderella's Royal Table, remains unchanged. Guests who have booked those meals must cancel 1 day in advance to cancel for a full refund. What if you don't get the advance reservation you want? If at first you don't succeed, try again. Cancellations occur all the time, so we recommend calling back periodically or checking online before you leave for your vacation. Shoot, give it a shot once you arrive too. You may also try different times and days. Just ask a cast member what's available. Other tips. Don't forget to add all guests to your reservation. Don't leave out the kiddos under 3. Some restaurants are available for booking on OpenTable.com. What's neat about this option is you can avoid the cancellation penalty and potentially have some more availability. Online reservations open up at 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and if you want a hard-to-get reservation like Be Our Guest or Ohana, you better get your fanny up bright and early. After all, the early bird catches the worm, or the reservation. If you're dining with a large group of over 9 guests, call Disney directly and they should be able to help you out with restaurants and tables that can accommodate your party. For parties of 6 or larger, an 18% gratuity will be automatically added to your bill. For those of you on the Disney dining plan, remember that gratuity is not included in your package price. That 18% can be a real shocker to those who missed that memo. If you're planning a last-minute trip or past your 180-day mark, no worries. There's plenty of restaurants that are usually a little less crowded and still awesome. They're typically tucked away in the resorts. We recommend Olivia's Cafe at Old Key West Resort or Grand Floridian Cafe at the Grand Floridian. Disney also holds aside a few same-day reservations. Find a cast member near the front of the park to help book those for you. Bonus, how to mobile order. One of the best in-park hacks that'll save you loads of time is mobile ordering. This is the Fast Pass for food lines. You're now able to order from certain counter service restaurants using the My Disney Experience app or on your mobile device. To order, open the My Disney Experience app and proceed one of 2 ways. Option 1, click the plus button on the bottom of your My Disney Experience app, click Order Food, select a restaurant, and you can begin building your order. Option 2, on the map in My Disney Experience, select Dining from the drop-down list. Restaurants that offer mobile order will have a special logo. Just click on the restaurant you want and click Order Food. You can purchase your food using credit and debit cards and the Disney Dining plans. All 3 Disney Dining plans are available with mobile order. These include quick service, regular, and the Disney Deluxe Dining plan. Got a Disney gift card or any discounts? Then you'll have to order it in person at the restaurant. Sorry! When you arrive at the restaurant, open the My Disney Experience app, tap on the image of your character, and press the I'm here, prepare my order button. When your food is ready, you'll receive a notification from the app and can pick up your meal at the area with the mobile order pickup sign. Mobile order is available at locations in all of the parks, Disney Springs, and several resorts, with more restaurants being added frequently. All this Disney dining talk has sure made me hungry, so we'll call it a day right here. We hope that you loved our video and that it helped you better navigate the Disney dining experience. What's your favorite restaurant at Walt Disney World Resort? Let us know in the comments. Then hit that like button, okay? Thanks. I'm Margeaux Jordan with All Ears, and we'll catch you next time.